Most investors ignore penny stocks because they sound risky, but sometimes, the biggest opportunities live exactly where most people are too uncomfortable to look. And today we're breaking down 5 tiny stocks where the upside story is so big that analysts are actually paying attention, which almost never happens in this part of the market. And we're starting with a biotech company trying to completely change how vaccines are delivered. Vaxart, instead of injections, they're developing vaccines in oral tablet form, which could eliminate needle fear, simplify global distribution, and dramatically lower mass immunization logistics costs. But here's the key. They're still a clinical stage company with no approved products, meaning this is pure speculation on whether trials succeed and FDA approval happens, which is exactly why penny stocks can move so violently. There isn't much fundamental data, so investors are betting on the story and future potential, not current profits. That lack of analyst coverage most penny stocks have is a risk, but also part of why mispricing can exist if the platform actually works. Next up is TRX Gold, and this one connects to a huge macro trend, gold prices pushing toward record highs. When gold surges, mining margins expand, and smaller miners can see outsized leverage compared to physical gold itself. TRX just reported record output, expanding margins, and accelerating growth, all fueled by higher spot prices. They're actively mining, expanding operations, and revenue is rising, though the company is still not profitable, with only about a $278 million market cap, even after a massive run. This is still a tiny operator where operational expansion could create further upside, but volatility comes with the territory. Third is DataVault AI, one of the more talked about names among retail traders. Sitting at the crossroads of AI, data monetization, and blockchain, the company's mission is bold: help businesses turn raw data into tradable digital assets, essentially making data an asset class. The opportunity sounds huge, but execution is uncertain. Revenue visibility is still cloudy, and institutional ownership is under 1%, which tells you this is still early and speculative. Still, a couple analysts see the stock potentially reaching for dollars within a year, which would represent enormous upside again, a bet on future adoption, not current fundamentals. Then we have Microvision, operating in the LiDAR space for autonomous driving and smart sensing. The company got caught in the 2021 hype cycle when everyone expected instant autonomous vehicle adoption. But rising interest rates slowed funding and delayed the timeline. Now, momentum in autonomous tech is building again, heading into 2026, which reopens the bull case. The risk: Tesla doesn't use LiDAR, and competition exists from companies like Luminar, Ouster, and Innoviz, plus high short interest and low institutional ownership signal heavy volatility. But if broader adoption of LiDAR-based systems accelerates outside Tesla's ecosystem, Microvision could benefit. Finally, the most catalyst-driven name, Atossa Genetics, another clinical-stage biotech focused on therapies and diagnostics for breast cancer and related conditions. Just this month, the company received 2 key FDA developments: orphan drug designation for its drug indoxafen for a rare disease, and a study may proceed letter allowing further clinical trials for breast cancer treatment. These regulatory steps are crucial for small biotech firms. With only about a $79 million market cap, no revenue and no profitability, this is high risk, but it's covered by 5 analysts. Unusually high for a company this size, with a consensus target around $6.33 implying major upside if trials progress well. The big takeaway across all 5 stocks is this: penny stocks aren't about stable fundamentals, they're about conviction in a future story, understanding that volatility can mean 50% to 100% swings, and choosing whether you're trading short-term moves or holding long-term for potential breakthroughs. These are high-risk, high-reward plays tied to biotech innovation, gold expansion, AI data monetization, autonomous driving tech, and FDA catalysts. Sectors where a single breakthrough can completely reprice a stock. Just remember, this is for educational purposes only, and not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.